Are you experiencing UPnP not successful or NAT type failed errors on your Xbox or PS5 with a Spectrum router? You're not alone. UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, is a protocol that allows your console to automatically configure port forwarding on your router, ensuring a smooth online gaming experience. NAT, Network Address Translation, determines how open your connection is. Open NAT is ideal, moderate NAT is okay, and strict NAT can cause lag and connection issues. Spectrum routers, unfortunately, often have issues with UPnP, leading to these frustrating errors. Spectrum has rolled out firmware updates to address UPnP vulnerabilities, but some users still face persistent issues. Causes include firmware bugs, ISP-level restrictions, and user settings like firewalls. If UPnP fails, your console can't automatically open the necessary ports, resulting in a strict NAT type and a poor gaming experience. This section explained why UPnP and NAT issues occur with Spectrum routers, setting the foundation for troubleshooting in the next section. To troubleshoot UPnP and NAT issues on Spectrum routers, start by accessing your router settings. Open your web browser and enter the address 192.168.0.1 to access your Spectrum router's admin panel. In the router settings, navigate to the Advanced section and ensure UPnP is enabled. Reboot your router and gaming console to apply the UPnP settings. If issues persist, open the My Spectrum app and toggle on gaming mode to prioritize gaming traffic. For manual port forwarding, open UDP port 3074 for Xbox Live or TCP and UDP ports 1935 through 1939 for PlayStation Network. As an alternative, put your console in the router's DMZ. But note, this reduces security by exposing the device to the internet. If other methods fail, contact Spectrum support for remote diagnostics and assistance. For best results, ensure a single NAT layer by connecting your console directly to the Spectrum modem/router combo, and consider assigning a static IP address to your console.